Hey there, guys. Chet here. Everyone tells you that standard email is the best way to follow up with leads in your CRM. Guess what? That's a lie. If you actually want instant replies from your warmest prospects, you need to be communicating with them on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to seamlessly connect WhatsApp directly into your Pipedrive workflow. Now, you'll need a Pipedrive account to follow along, and if you have not set one up yet, there's a special link in the description. Click that link, and you get a 30-day free trial with all of the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means you'll use the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what others are paying. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z. It walks you through everything step by step. It's totally free, and it's also linked right there if you need it. Now let's dive right into the setup. First, log into your Pipedrive account and click the three dots at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. After clicking these three dots, it will expand into a new menu where options such as Marketplace, Automations, and Import Data are visible. This is basically the control center for supercharging your CRM. Then click on Marketplace from the left side expanded menu, since integrations like WhatsApp are installed from there. After that, you'll be taken to the Marketplace page. Now, important thing to note right off the bat is that Pipedrive does not have a native built-in WhatsApp integration, but connects through third-party apps available on the Pipedrive Marketplace. Completely normal and gives you a lot of flexibility to choose the tools that work best for your team. On this page, use the search bar inside of Marketplace and then type WhatsApp. Then click the search button to find available WhatsApp integration apps. After all of that, the available third-party apps like WhatsApp and Pipedrive integration by Timelines AI, WABA integration by Algebra, and many more will be displayed on the screen. These apps enable sending messages directly from CRM, syncing chats to deals and automating workflows. It's incredibly powerful once it's running. Next, review the available WhatsApp integration options and click on the one that best fits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll choose the WhatsApp and Pipedrive integration by Timelines AI app. If in case you searched for WhatsApp and you did not find this WhatsApp and Pipedrive integration by Timelines AI app, then you need to search this exact term in order to find this specific app. It is one of the most reliable options out there, so click that one. Once you open the integration page, click on the Authorize button at the bottom to sync WhatsApp conversations directly to Pipedrive and automate your sales workflow. After that, choose the company and user because this app will be added to the above company and users. Make sure that you select the correct workspace if you manage multiple accounts. Then click the next button and you'll be taken to the next step. Once you're on this page, click the Allow and Install button to begin the setup process. Now, it will take just a few seconds to process the connection in the background. After installing the Timelines AI sign-in page, that will open and you'll be able to log into your Timeline account. If you do not have one yet, simply follow the quick prompts on the screen to create it. After logging in, you'll see QR codes at the center of the page. Well, you'll see a QR code at the center of the page. Click on it to generate a QR code. This part will feel very familiar if you have ever used WhatsApp Web before. Then go to your WhatsApp account on your phone or computer. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear with different options like advertise, communities, labels, linked devices, and then there'll be a few others. Click on the linked devices, and then click on the link a device button. Then scan that QR code from your mobile or laptop to link. Just point your phone camera at your computer screen and it will securely sync your data in real time. After linking, look at the top left corner and you will see your WhatsApp number, which indicates that your WhatsApp account has linked to your Pipedrive account. Now that the connection is active, we need to make sure the data is flowing exactly how we want it to. Once verified, map your WhatsApp number to your Pipedrive account so messages can be linked to contacts and deals. Then configure settings such as automatic contact creation, message synchronization, and visibility permissions for users or teams. This is crucial because you want to make sure your sales reps can actually see the context of the conversations they are taking over without having to ask the client to repeat themselves. Now, let's test to make sure everything is working flawlessly. After completing the configuration, go back to the Pipedrive and click the Deals from the left menu and then open the deal inside of Pipedrive and then look for the WhatsApp messaging option within the deal detail view. You should see a new panel or icon specifically for WhatsApp. Now send a test message from Pipedrive to confirm that WhatsApp messages are syncing correctly. I always recommend sending a quick hello to a test contact or your own personal number just to see how fast it populates. Finally, monitor incoming and outgoing WhatsApp conversations directly inside of Pipedrive, ensuring all communication is automatically logged under the related deal. And just like that, you've completely centralized your communication. No more switching between browser tabs or picking up your phone every 5 minutes to check for client replies. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Now you can manage all of your WhatsApp chats right inside of Pipedrive without jumping between apps. Don't forget to click that special link in the description to grab your 30-day extended free trial of Pipedrive. It's the only way to get a full month for free instead of the standard 14 days. And if you want to be a true Pipedrive expert, make sure to grab our free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.